Placement of birds 3 days prior to 2 days after housing. Need to put chick papers down in the system or on the floor and cover the whole entire floor on open houses. After papers are down, complete disinfectant of the house and system should be done at this time. Feed chains need to be ran at the highest level and add feed by hands to top off the feeders and to add feed to papers by the waters to get chicks to notice the water. Keep feed levels higher than the feed chains to let pullets see the feed, and it can help with feed refusal from beak-treated chicks. It is recommended to add feed by hand up to 5 days after placement. Pan feeders should be filled and place feed by hand on papers on the floor near water to make sure you draw pullets to the waterers. Getting light schedule set up should be done at this time. Intermittent lighting is recommended for birds up to the first 7 days. Starting sunrise and sunset, and the timing should be started as soon as intermittent lighting is done. About 2 days before pullets arrive, start getting the house up to required temps. Follow the guides to get the specific temps needed for each variety. At this time, get environments set in the house: temps, fan stage, and baffles. Verify that temps are uniform throughout the entire house. Verify the pressure is set on the regulator so that droplets are forming on nipples. Trip nipples when chicks show up for up to 3 to 5 days after arrival.